Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix a very common issue where file name extensions are not showing on your Windows PC. If you are unable to see extensions like .jpg, .png, .mp4, or .exe, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type Control Folders and press Enter. This will open the Folder Options window. Now click on the View tab at the top. Here you will see a list of advanced settings. Now scroll down and find the option called Hide Extensions for Known File Types. By default, this option is checked, which is why file extensions are hidden on your system. So what you need to do is simply uncheck this option. After that, click on Apply, and then click on OK. That's it. Your setting is now changed. Now let's check whether it is working or not. Open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon or pressing Windows plus E. Now open any folder, for example, the Downloads folder. Here, you will now be able to see the full file names along with their extensions, like .jpg, .mp4, .pdf, or .exe. This makes it much easier to identify file types and also helps you avoid opening unknown or unsafe files. In some cases, if you still don't see the extensions, try restarting your File Explorer or your computer once. Also, keep in mind that enabling file extensions is very useful for security because sometimes malicious files can hide their real format. So always keep this option disabled so that extensions remain visible. So this is how you can fix file name extensions not showing on Windows easily. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.